you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we have a Kiss nail kits. This is what we'll be doing in today's video. I'm so excited to have this, but we're gonna do the French nails. We're gonna do them this long, and we're not gonna do these. So I'm really excited. It brings the nail glue, the monomer clear, and then the actual brush. I'm so excited to do my nails with this today. And then I'm going to be using some decor from Dollar Tree. So I'm literally going to do my nails for under $15. Hold on a minute, because I don't know what I want to use. We got to see what we're going to use. We could do some glitter, literally do some glitter, because this brings that. I'm going to take out these butterflies as well. And let's see. I got some flowers here. I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to take out one of these Diamond Natural nail files as well, because I don't know if I like that one. But that's pretty much it. That's what we're working with. And that's going to be the nail hack for today. I'm really excited about it. So get your coffee. Come hang out with me. Let's hang out together and do our nails. I'm really excited to be back. I love you guys and I miss you guys so much. So many hack videos coming out, because that's what we're doing on this channel. We're gonna just be doing hack videos. And yeah, I'll probably do other different type of videos, but we'll see how that works out. But let's get into this. I'll probably have like one video of me doing my nails throughout the week, like regular, and then hack videos the rest. So we'll do that, just so we can try out different brands. For those that are nail techs on this channel, we can try out different brands, but we'll see how that works out. So get your coffee, let's do some nails. We're going to be doing our nails with less than $15. I actually got this nail kit from CVS. I think it was $8 from CVS. So yeah, you can get them from Walmart. You can get them from all over. So definitely check them out so you can get your nail kit. I love Kiss nail kit. You guys already know that I do. But let's do our nails. Let's see how they come out. Okay, so first things first, I just want to show you the nail kit and what it comes with. Okay, so it comes with the nail brush, the monomer, which they have changed their monomer like a lot. It's really weird, actually. I'm unsure why, but they have. The actual nail powder, the nail glue, which this nail glue is so bomb, you guys. It comes with French and natural nail tips, and then of course the little cuticle pusher and a instruction book. I'm gonna go in and find the nail tips that all fit me well. Like I said in previous videos, make sure that your nail tip fits from sidewall to sidewall, just so you don't have any lifting or it doesn't feel uncomfortable if it is a bit too small. You want it to be perfect, so that way it doesn't lift and it also doesn't feel uncomfortable. Okay, so I'm just going to go in and prep my nails. I'm just going to use this nail file that it came with. Once I go in and I prep my nails, I'm going to glue on my nail tips. Now, prepping is something that you want to make sure you do very well, because being that these kits aren't actual professional kits, they are going to need a little bit of extra love, so that way they do not lift or pop off. So I do recommend you prepping your nails really, really good before applying any application, and make sure you remove all the dust from your nails so you have no lifting. Once I get done pouring out the monomer and doing the powder, I'm going to go in with the nail brush and just start working my way, building up the nails. Now with this, you want to make sure your bead is a little bit more wet, because it does dry super quick. So that is one thing with the Kiss Nail Kit, that it dries really, really quick if you're not working fast enough. And another thing that I noticed about this kit is that the monomer worked really, really good, but the nail brush, all the product was just getting stuck in the nail brush. I never had that happen before. I don't know if maybe they changed the bristles on the brush or what is going on, but that nail brush was just not having it. It was a disaster to work with. It was really bad, but I made it work and I continue to work at it. But if you can invest in the bigger set of the Kiss acrylic, I definitely recommend that. It's the one from Walmart. It's like a big box kind of thing. I would definitely recommend that one because that brush is super amazing, and it's actually a little bit longer and bigger, so you don't have to worry about using such a small brush on long nails. Now if you're doing short nails, it might work good, but being that I did long nails, the brush was just getting filled up with a lot of product. So you see me here trying to clean out this nail brush, and I had to actually scrub out the nail brush with my fingers, and also had to scrub it with the cuticle pusher because it was just not coming out. The buildup was really, really thick in the brush. I'm unsure why that happened because it never really happened a lot like that before, but this brush right here just captured all of the acrylic. Like, it was really bad.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Once I got done laying the acrylic, I just went in and filed and buffed my nails. Now, I just showed me doing the thumb because I do need my hands in front of my face in order to do the filing on the top to smooth out the nail. I don't know why, but doing it like sitting down like this and the nails all the way down here, it's just not, it doesn't work for me. So I have to have it like super close to me. So I just did the thumb, but I do just use the nail file because this acrylic isn't as hard to work with when filing. And if you do it, the application correctly, and you do it nice and smooth, you don't have to file so much, which is one thing that I do love about the Kiss acrylic. And I did go in with my regular Diamond Cosmetics nail file. I did get that from the Dollar Tree. Everything used here is from the Dollar Tree besides the nail kit. The nail kit is actually from CVS. But yeah, all the stones, all the jewels, everything that I used, the nail polishes, some of them are from the Dollar Tree, some of them are from Walmart, super cheap. They're like 88 cents at Walmart as well for nail polish. You can go to the dollar store. Dollar Tree has the best nail polishes, like LA Colors, and super cute range of colors, which is what I like.
My newbies look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
I just went in and just started decorating the nails. I did a little bit of flowers and some 3D butterflies and just a bunch of stuff on the nails to make it look really, really cutesy and just very girly. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm trying to do nails at certain price points for you guys so you can have just a range of different products to use in your nails and to do your nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next videos to come.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tell me more and with my heart, just think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.